Jamaica has recorded 11 new cases of leptospirosis. National epidemiologist Dr. Karen Webster Carr made the announcement during a special press briefing today.
We have had some new results, and we were able to confirm 11 more cases based on positive PCR results, and we were able to discard 7 cases previously classified as suspected. At this time, on the 26th of November, we would have 90 cases total for 2025, 51 pre-Melissa and 39 post-Melissa. Of the 90 for 2025, 21 were confirmed, 3 pre-Melissa and 18 post.
The cases, all men ranging from the ages of 20 to 29 and over 60 years old, are from St. James, St. Elizabeth and St. Anne. Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is encouraging the public to be alert but not to panic.
6 confirmed cases, all being from post-Melissa.
Our discussion or narrative around this particular issue is intended to provide the necessary advisory to protect Jamaicans and to heighten the levels of alertness. We are mindful that that can easily be understood as panic, and we would like to discourage that.